Hello and welcome. I am Trish and this is Trish Talks. And on this channel, I offer up tips on interior design, DIY home renovation projects, and gardening. And in today's video, I'm answering a request from one of my subscribers who wanted tips on decorating her small balcony. And I said, absolutely, it's a great request at the perfect time. And so I figured while I'm at it, I'll also cover several outdoor spaces ranging from the small balcony to the large backyard. So this video will have something for everyone. This is going to be very useful, I promise. So do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and notification bell for more content like this. Now, on to the video. So it's that time of the year again when everyone is heading outside. And over the last couple of years, our outdoor spaces have become almost vital to our overall happiness. We're using our outdoor spaces for working, dining, entertaining, and plain old relaxing. So if you have an outdoor space, big or small, design it to work for you. So here is outdoor space number one, the balcony. So typically balconies are not very big, but they are a welcome addition to any apartment. The first issue that most balcony owners want to address is the issue of privacy. If privacy is your concern, I would suggest you start with a natural privacy screen using plants. If plants are not your thing, then an artificial plant screen or a bamboo screen may work. Next, let's talk seating. Since balconies are small, a nice bistro table and chairs will work. If you prefer somewhere to lounge instead, try adding a cushioned bench. How about a small hammock, the famous egg chair, or any combination of comfortable seating? Just remember to use materials that can stand up to the elements. Top the space off by adding pops of color to shape the area's mood and more pillows and cushions to create a comfy feel, and string lights that will create that warm ambiance. Maybe the space is for dining or lounging, whatever the case may be. Take a moment to enjoy your little slice of paradise. Outdoor space number two, the deck. Many people have added decks to their homes in the last 2 years, and many of us have already had a deck. And you know what? I'll link my deck makeover video below so you can take a look at how we did ours. But whatever the case may be, we now want to do something different with our decks. We want to be able to enjoy them all year long. You know, for us, sometimes it's too hot and too sunny to fully enjoy our decks. So our typical solution is to put up an umbrella. But you know what? Try adding a little something extra special like a sun sail. Their uniqueness protects you from the sun, and some of them are waterproof and fade resistant. Now, next, you gotta have some lounge seating. If you go with the popular styles, make sure to add some colorful pillows to those so neutral colored cushions. But also look at that not so common lounge seating. You know, they have different shapes and styles, and those different shapes and styles add an automatic interest to the space. Then surround the space with plants, lighting, and side tables to make the space feel welcoming and well thought out. Outdoor space number three, the patio. So the patio is usually the space outside that is made up of concrete, pavers, stone, or gravel. This makes it the perfect area for a fire pit. Now, I also have a video on a patio makeover, so I'll link that below as well. Fire pits naturally draw the crowd in. They offer warmth on a cool night and a comfortable space to sit and gather. But most importantly, they are the best way to roast marshmallows and make s'mores. There are plenty of fire pit styles out there. You can build one in, use a fire pit table, or have one that sits on the ground surface. To gather at the fire pit, choose the Adirondack chair or comfy seating that's not susceptible to the heat or the flames. Whatever you do, enjoy being outdoors under the beautiful night sky. Another patio favorite is the outdoor kitchen. The kitchens can be simple or super elaborate. Along with the grills, the refrigerator, and sink, people are adding pizza ovens, fireplaces, and bar seating. The kitchens are oftentimes covered by a pergola or a patio cover. Once the meal is done, everyone moves to the dining tables that are sitting on the eye-catching area rug that is then beautifully decorated with a table setting. Fill the surrounding space with lighting and greenery, and people will dine out there for hours. Outdoor space number 4, the backyard. So the backyard can encompass all that we've talked about today. You can add your comfy lounge seating, your dining table and chairs, and that fire pit. But also try adding other exciting elements like a swing, a gazebo, or even a hot tub. Another essential element to add to your backyard is lighting. String lighting is an easy and economical way to brighten up your space. It creates a festive party-like atmosphere that helps everyone get into the mood and have a great time. Since you're already in the backyard, I would also take some time to add lush landscaping. People are always wowed by a beautifully landscaped yard. Make sure the grass is green, add tons of perennials that come back every year, and add those annuals for that burst of color. Finally, don't forget to make sure your trees and shrubs are pruned back and healthy. The backyard is a super valuable space. Make sure there's something of interest everywhere the eye looks. Here are some other ways to make your outdoor living space beautiful. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Until next time, bye.